Join me as I dive into the wild world of fruits to figure out why bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Can I unravel this fruity mystery? We've all been there, strolling through the produce section, tossing a few bananas into our shopping cart, and maybe even throwing in some strawberries for good measure. But have you ever stopped to think about the classification of these fruits? I mean, we think we know what a berry is, but do we really? One of the biggest misconceptions about berries is that they're small and usually red or purple. We think of grapes, blueberries, and raspberries, all tiny and bursting with flavor. But the truth is, berries come in all shapes and sizes, and it's not just about their color or taste. There's actually a lot of confusion surrounding bananas and strawberries, and it's time to set the record straight. Most people would never guess that bananas are technically berries, while strawberries aren't. But why is that? When we think of berries, we often think of seeds on the inside, but that's not always the case. In fact, the term berry refers to a specific type of fruit that has three distinct features. It comes from a single ovary in the flower, it has a fleshy exterior, and it has multiple seeds inside. And guess what? Bananas fit that definition perfectly. But what about strawberries? Strawberries, on the other hand, are not berries in the botanical sense. They're actually an aggregate fruit, meaning they're formed from multiple ovaries in a single flower. Each little seed on the surface of the strawberry is actually an individual fruit called an achene. Mind blown, right? So what makes a berry a berry? And why do bananas get to join the berry club while strawberries don't? The answer lies in the botanical definitions of fruits, berries, and other classifications. It's all about the anatomy of the fruit and the way it grows on the plant. Bananas come from a single ovary in the flower, while strawberries are formed from multiple ovaries. It's that simple. The scientific criteria that determine berry classifications are pretty straightforward. It's all about the number of ovaries and the type of fruit that grows from them. Bananas meet the criteria, while strawberries don't. It's not about how they look or taste. It's about their underlying biology. And that's what makes this whole thing so fascinating. But the next time you're at the grocery store, don't just toss those bananas and strawberries into your cart without thinking twice. Remember, there's more to these fruits than meets the eye. Our understanding of fruits is shaped by scientific definitions, not just common usage. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride into the world of fruit classifications. What do you think about this whole berry business? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious about more fun food facts, check out my next video on the surprising history of your favorite snacks.